Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today we make such a refreshing drink. It's just perfect for cooling down on a hot summer day. And the best part is that it only takes minutes to prepare. Before starting, I would like to remind you to click the bell icon to get the notifications of the new videos, so you won't miss any recipe. So let's get started. Wash the orange and the lemons thoroughly and cut them into slices with their skin. I like to add orange because the sweetness of the orange balances quite nicely with the lemons, so I add it, but sure, you can make it only with lemons if you like. Place them in a ziplock bag and seal shut. You can also make it using 1 orange and 1 lemon depending on their sizes. And you can add any other fruits you like. You will have about 3 liters of lemonade out of these 3 fruits. Leave for a few hours in the refrigerator to let the fruits fully freeze. I prepare many bags like this and freeze, then use whenever I want to make lemonade. So take it out of the refrigerator and wait for about 8 minutes to blend easily in the food processor. Place the fruits in a food processor. Then add 1 cup of granulated sugar and blend everything together until smooth. Then transfer to a deep bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon salt and 2.5 liters of water. Mix thoroughly and let it sit for about 10 minutes to allow the flavors to combine. Now strain the lemonade into another bowl. Press all of the juice out with the help of a spoon. Transfer into a serving jug with slices of lemon or lime and fresh mint leaves. Yeah, don't forget fresh mint leaves. Hope you enjoy! If you like and try our recipes, please leave your comments. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe. Thanks for watching!